Rihanna, I am very curious regarding the detail of your attire. Can you share to us what exactly you are wearing tonight?
Hi, Mr. Kirk. Good evening, Inigiran. What I'm exactly wearing tonight is pinipig. And if you ask me in a deeper level, then I'll tell you what it is. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, pinipig. So, as you all know, that pinipig is rice that has been pounded and flattened to bring out its aroma. When life pounds you and flattens your spirit, how do you ensure you still come out fragrant and full of grace? One more time, as we all know, pinipig is rice that has been pounded and flattened to bring out its aroma. When life pounds you and flattens your spirit, how do you ensure you still come out fragrant and full of grace?
Thank you so much. Pinipig, a humble delicacy made from young rice. And I believe that this reflects the strength of our people. The process of making pinipig was not that easy. It requires patience, it requires timing, and it requires resilience. And just like pinipig, we go through life's pressure and challenges, but we always make sure to emerge stronger and more refined. And as a babaeng Inigiran, we can uplift our hardworking people by first empowering them to use digital platforms, elevate their skills, and build a partnership while staying rooted in our identity. Because I believe that when tradition meets technology, we are not just simply promoting products. We are creating opportunities, elevate lives, and bring the pride of Inigiran to the world. Thank you so much.
Madamong salamat